Hey guys, what is up? Hey, just want to send out this real quick video. The other day I posted a picture and shown that we had a broken spring up here. It actually busted right in half. And whenever you have a garage door spring that busts, you're going to hear a loud bang because these are under a lot of tension. So we had two lower rated springs up here. And they said we could replace one for $195 or we could replace two for $250. And I was like, okay, so let's just go ahead and do two, because if one busted, the other one's going to eventually bust. So he went out to the truck and he says, we don't have that lower rate spring, but we do have a larger spring. We can replace one of the springs with a larger spring and you wouldn't need two. So went with the one, which is $195. Got that. They adjusted the door. They checked the tracks. They lubricated the tracks. Everything works good. These springs last for 12,000 cycles. That's what they said. So if your door goes up, that's one cycle. Every time it moves up or down, that is one cycle. So figure it out. So as much as we use this garage door, ours is going to last for 2 years, believe it or not. So there you go, $195 for a replacement heavy duty spring up here. Like I said, if you did two lower or two weaker springs, you'd have, it would be $250. If you're going to replace one, always do two, but since this is a larger spring, it's only $195. So guys, I'm going to leave right here the company that we used. All right, that's the company, call them. Use anybody that you like. That's only a recommendation. All right, guys, I'm out of here.